Hey, what's up, amigos? Welcome back again to the channel for a brand new episode. This time, once again, with the fake fragrances series, and this time for this episode, it's gonna be real versus fake. ACQUA di GIO ABSOLU by Giorgio Armani. And on this video, I'm gonna try to show you the differences between the authentic and the fake that we have right here in front of us. But before that, please give us a thumbs up for this video. Give us a like. Press the thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything. It is totally for free. It shows your gratitude. It shows that you're thanking the channel. Also, it helps the channel. It helps the video to be shown actually to more people. That way, they avoid getting scammed. And I want to say something. I mean, the lack of support when it comes to this kind of videos and this kind of content is really very concerning. And I've seen and I noticed that many channels that used to do these videos, they stopped completely doing such videos because of the lack of support. And this means actually a win for the scammers. So the scammers, I mean, the less there is videos like this, the more the scammers are making more profit and scamming people out there, and this is not what we want. So we want you guys and we want the fragrance community to contribute, to show the support, to show your gratitude, to support the channels that do this kind of activity and help this activity to keep going. And actually I want you guys to also subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos. But also I want to mention that there is the possibility to become a member of this channel. You can join the channel, become a member starting from $2 a month, and that way you get access to more videos, you get access to more exclusive content, and much more. So yes, don't hesitate, and that definitely is gonna support the channel and help us create more content like this and create more videos like this. And there is tons and tons of other fragrances that we want to bring you on this channel to do this type of comparison. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing, yes, we have the fake right here. This is the fake and this is the authentic. And the first thing that I noticed right away is the difference in the color between the two. So as you guys can see, yes, the fake, I don't know if you really can tell, but the fake is more like pale. The color is pale. It's not as fun or like compact and rich like the color on the authentic right here. This is the authentic, and yes, you can tell that the color here on the fake, there is like some sort of differences in shade of the same color. Not like on here, it's pretty much the same color everywhere on the box, right? And yeah, pretty much when it comes to the front, the color is the main difference. Also, I want to go and show you on the back. The back here we have some differences when it comes to the font. The font on here is much darker on the authentic one, as you guys can see. Let me try to zoom. So the font here is much darker than the font here on the fake one. See the difference? And also right here we have like 3 lines, and they are like full lines, sentences right here, while on the authentic the lines here, the sentences are shorter. Do you can tell? I hope that you can tell from yes, you can tell definitely from this angle. And as I said, yes, the font is much darker than right here. It's a little bit thinner and not as good or visible as on the authentic, right? So also when it comes to the cellophane wrap, the cellophane is actually a very important thing. I mean, it shows you, it gives you an idea about the quality of the fake one and the authentic one right away. So, and I've seen many other channels, they don't talk about the cellophane, which is actually a very important thing. And it's a giveaway actually before opening the fragrance. It saves you a lot of trouble and a lot of time. So the cellophane wrap, when it comes to the fake one, this is the fake one, this is the authentic one. So as you guys can see, the authentic one is very well glued, very nice, and very well measured, while the one on the fake, not very well glued. I think the glue kind of like dried, and also the stitching looks a little bit ugly. The stitching actually, right here it's not stitching, it's just gluing, but here it's like they stitches it. And yeah, the cellophane wrap is not very well measured. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really hard to make it. Yes, I think you can tell from these angles. And yeah, it feels, I mean, this cellophane wrap, it feels cheap, it feels light, not like on here on the authentic one. The cellophane, I mean, when you touch it, you feel the quality, and it feels much thicker than this cheap cellophane on the fake one. All right. Also, yes, okay, if you want to see, by the way, I found a piece of hair right there, and it was funny on this fake one. Sometimes you find like dirt or hair or anything sometimes inside the boxes of the fake ones, and that gives you an idea how are the conditions of the factories where they make these fakes. So the wrapping also is too much here, not very well measured. The wrapping is too much, while in here on the authentic it's very well done, and you can see the batch code very well. One on here you can barely see the batch code. All right, so what about the bottles? The bottles, which is the most important thing. The authentic one that I've been using, this is mine, and this is the fake one. So yes, by the way, I mean, purchasing these fake ones, it costs money. It's not like I get them for cheap, or like I get them for free, or like these companies send them to me or something like that. So please guys, take that in consideration, and the least you can do to support the video, support the channel, is giving a like. But if you can also donate to the channel, and any donation will be definitely very much appreciated and be a great contribution to support this activity. So first thing maybe you notice is the difference in the color between the two. The color of the juice of the authentic one on here, look at it. It looks, I don't want to say the word, but it looks ugly. It looks really bad. And even the base of the glass, there is a difference. I don't know if you guys can tell. So this is the fake and this is the authentic, right? The color of the juice of this one is just so ugly. I don't know if you guys can tell really. And also another important thing, on the fake one you can clearly see the long tube from the atomizer down to the base. It's very obvious. While on the authentic you don't see the tube at all. It's like magic. You see it here because the bottle is empty, because I've been using it. It's half empty. And one on here you don't see it at all, because they use very high quality tubes, expensive ones actually, and they are made in a way that they don't they kind of mix with the color of the juice of the fragrance. And once you spray the fragrance, the authentic one, you don't see the tube at all. So yes, and this one is actually used and I mean sprayed many times before, and you still see the tube right here. See, you see it from from every angle. When it comes to the cap of the authentic, it clicks right into place. It's tight, it's very good, while the one on the fake one, not really as good. You feel like it's gonna come off or something, like the inside, the material inside is gonna come off. Also there is a difference in color. Look at the difference right here. This is the fake one, this is the authentic one. There is a difference in the quality, the material, even the weight. This one, the authentic one, is heavier than the cheap one, the fake one right here. Also, it comes to the symbol, the insignia of Giorgio Armani. There is a difference, as you guys can tell. This is the authentic and this is the fake. See? A huge difference. All right. Okay, so yes, also the atomizers. When it comes to the atomizers, right here, the dot inside of the spritzer right here, it's white, kind of like gray. While on here it's black, and there is a difference also in the height of this atomizer. This one is shorter. The atomizer is shorter, while this one is a little bit longer, and the quality is it screams quality on the authentic. One on the fake, it's a mess. Look at the fake one. Let me zoom on it. See, it looks really bad. Let me show you the atomizers. Black dot on the authentic. One on here, it's kind of like white and gray. You want to see the inside of the thingy. It's not really a huge difference, but yes, right here the tube of the atomizer is so tight. I mean, the ring, the metal ring is so tight around it, and it's like solid and very well made. One on here, the tube is just, they just inserted there. I mean, if you push it, you might push it inside and break it or ruin it. It's very easy to ruin it, and yeah, really, it screams. And actually, yes, it screams like it is super cheap. And actually, this is one of the most improved fakes out there, and a lot of people got really like scammed with this one. So definitely, guys, watch out. This is actually, as I said, the most improved fake one out there. A short break and just a friendly reminder. If you guys want to thank the channel for our massive efforts, because these videos can be really time, energy, and money consuming. If you would like to thank the channel for our efforts, you can use the thanks button that's right next to the like and subscribe buttons down below the video. And yes, you can make like a small donation towards the channel. And yeah, while you're at it, you can also give us a thumbs up, a like for the video. It can really show your appreciation and your gratitude. Thank you very much. If you guys want to see how the fake one sprays like, I don't know if you can tell from this angle. Let me see. It doesn't really spray. It does spray right away, but the spraying is not really that good. While the authentic one, the sprayer is just beautiful. I like the sprayer of ACQUA di GIO, and it is one of my favorites. Even though the sprayers of Dior are maybe the best ones. And I smell the authentic right now from here, from the air. It's a beautiful, really lovely scent from ACQUA di GIO. While this one is just ugly, not worth it, really just. And luckily it disappeared. Oh man, what a bad scent. What a bad scent. I didn't want to, I shouldn't have smelled it. I need to respray this one too. I'm gonna spray it on my hand, the authentic one, just to enjoy it and forget about this horrendous, horrible scent that this one has. Oh, it's beautiful. What a lovely scent. I think I'm gonna wear it actually today, and well, wear it for the rest of the day. It's getting dark now, and this means that actually we came to the end of this video. Please show your appreciation by supporting the channel, becoming a member, starting from $2 a month. Give us a like for the video, it doesn't cost anything. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the next videos, plenty to come in the future. But as I said, many videos will be shared like privately for the members only, while a few another number of videos will be shared publicly. But many exclusive content, many exclusive videos, extra videos will be posted in private for the members only. So guys, thank you for watching. Be careful, beware of the fakes out there. Don't get scammed, be smarter. And yes, when the price is too good to be true, just avoid it and try to buy from legit stores. And also, when you buy from them, check what you bought. Don't buy it just like that blindly. Just, I mean, check the box, check the bottle. I mean, yeah, be responsible. So yes, thank you for watching. Take care, see you later.